I'm going to cut firewood, Don. Stay by the hut. Play in the garden, please, my son. Yes, Mama. I'm going to cut firewood, Don. Stay by the hut. Play in the garden, my son. Mama, may I go just a little ways into the woods to pick blackberries? Well, all right, but do not go very far. Yay! Ho, ho, ho. Here I come, jungle! Da, 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 da. Oh, the jungle! Blackberries! Oh, Mama will be so pleased. Oh, I'm gonna bring her a whole bunch. Butterfly. Butterflies. Hey, butterfly. Oh, wait. Butterfly. Hey, stay with me, butterfly. Come, let's play. Butterfly. Butterfly. Oh. What? I can't find. Where am I? Oh, Mama. Mama. Why are you crying, little boy? What? Why so sad? I miss my mother. Well, no need to cry. But I lost my way. We will lead you home. Ooh. But first, promise never, never to trap me or my family. Oh, I promise, oh yay! Follow us. Oh, home! Hey! Oh, you have been so nice to me. Firefly. Firefly! I'll never forget you, Firefly, or your entire family. Of course not. We will visit your village every night. And so, many fireflies twinkle like little stars in the villages near the jungle.